Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with damp, towel-blotted hair. This locks moisture and lets mousse activate. Pour 1 to 2 pumps into your palm, then rub hands together to warm the foam. This helps even distribution. Once done, rake your fingers through hair from roots to mid-lengths if you want volume, or focus on mid-lengths for texture and control. Make sure to avoid heavy application on ends because that creates stiffness. This step sets foundation. Mousse interacts with water and heat to shape your style. You now spread the product so every strand benefits. Use a wide tooth comb or your fingers to move mousse from roots to ends. If you want lift, flip your head and lift at the roots while blow drying with a diffuser on low heat. Heat activates hold and preserves bounce. Conversely, for natural texture, scrunch sections and let hair air dry. This builds definition without crunch. Once done, inspect for uneven spots and add another 1/2 to 1 pump only where needed, to avoid stiffness. You finish by refining shape and locking hold. Use a cool blast of air to set curls and reduce frizz, or apply a light mist of hairspray for long days. If hair turns crunchy or stiff, don't panic. Run a brush through for softer movement, or smooth a pea-size amount of leave-in oil on the ends to restore pliability. This fixes excess product without washing. Lastly, make sure to store mousse upright and check for separation or odd smell. If present, replace the can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.